These remarkable creatures have developed a complex system of communication that relies on a combination of movements, vibrations, and scents. When a foraging bee discovers a new food source, it returns to the hive and performs a series of movements known as the waggle dance. The bee performs a figure-8 pattern on the honeycomb, vibrating its body and waggling its abdomen. The direction and duration of the waggle indicate the direction and distance to the food source relative to the sun. Furthermore, the foraging bee shares information about the quality and quantity of the food source through the vigor of its dance and the scents it carries on its body.